Hello everyone, today we are going to deal about the database language SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. We use SQL to perform operations on the records stored in a database, which stored in a database. Operations are like updating records, inserting records, and deleting records. There are many more like normalizing forms, views, modifying tables, so on, etc. Why we need SQL? SQL is required to create tables, to create new databases, tables, views, to insert records into database, to update records into a database, to delete records from a database, to retrieve data from a database. What does the SQL does? What SQL does? It allows users to access data in a relational database management system, RDMS, and it allows user to describe the data. It allows users to define data in a database. It allows user to define data in a database and manipulates the data. And it manipulates the data which we have been given. And it allows users to create, drop databases and tables. It allows users to create views, stored procedure, functions in a database. SQL architecture. SQL architecture will be like this: SQL query, and it will get into query language processor, which is also called as, here we use parser and optimizer to convert that code into machine level code, and it is stored in database management engine in the form of a file manager and transaction manager. And again it's stored in a physical database. Now we will move on to SQL commands. In order to write SQL query, we need some commands. So they are classified into DDL, DML and DCL. First of all, we'll look into DDL. DDL means data definition language. In this we will have create, alter, drop. There are many more, but these are the most important commands. Create. We will use this create to create a new table or a view of a table or any other object or other object in a database, to create any other object in a database. And when it comes to alter, it modifies an existing object. Just like we will alter the table, or we can alter the view, or we can alter the column of a table, we will use alter. Drop. We use drop to delete a table. Like an entire table will be deleted once we use the command drop, or view of a table or other objects in a database, or any other objects in a database. Once we use this command drop, then if you want to get it back, we won't get it. Next, when it comes to DML, it is data manipulation language. In data manipulation language, we have select, insert, update, delete. Select is the command which is used to retrieve certain data from one or more tables in a database, and insert to create records, to insert data, and update to modify the data, delete to delete the data. We use this command. DCL, data control language. In this we have grant and invoke. Grant gives a privilege to user. This command is used to give privilege to the user. And invoke takes back privilege from user. Privilege granted from the user, we will use invoke. They are vice versa to each other. Okay guys, now we will look into the syntax of the SQL in next video. Thank you.